to talk to you about some materials that you are going to be doing the week of October 31st. So on the 31st, we still worked on finishing up our large stickers in the classroom and finishing up some items on our Fall Illustrator Bingo. And I will touch base with you guys about turning information in on your Fall Illustrator Bingo and kind of where we're at with that project. But tomorrow, November 1st, we are going to be in the library for class. Go ahead and meet in the library. You'll need your Chromebooks, and I will bring any materials that you're going to need for your installation, I will bring with you. Obviously, we're only going to install one at a time, okay? I would love to turn you guys loose and have you all install at the same time, but we're going to need a ladder, straight edges. I want to be right there as we're installing them. So when you're not working on your installation, there's two assignments that you can be working on. One is called Green Screen Fun. And in this assignment, you are going to be using WeVideo, and you are going to just be learning a little bit about green screening and kind of how to do green screening in WeVideo. I have included some background images for you to use, as well as 2 green screen footages that you can choose to use. And this is an instructional tutorial that walks you through how to do the assignments. Now, there are a couple things in the instructional tutorial that's pinpoint maybe specific days or whatnot, because this video was originally made for a different group of students. So if I cite specific days or where to find something specific, you might not find it there. All of your information for the assignment is going to be housed right here. Okay, I think theirs was in March, so you're going to see different dates. But it'll walk you through how to use WeVideo with the green screen. Another item that I would like you to work on, and this is actually due by Thursday. The Green Screen Fun one is not due till Friday. This one is due by Thursday. It is an ed puzzle, and it is on Zach King, who is a green screener, and he does a specific concept called Screen Thief. And we are going to do the Screen Thief project. It's actually one of my favorite projects. We are going to do this project, but before you can do it, there's some filming that you need to do, and you also need to understand how to do it. I don't expect you to know how to complete the project just by going through this ed puzzle, but this ed puzzle will help you know how to film, and then later we will go into more of the details of how to edit in the green screen. And then there are 2 filming projects that I'm going to have you do. You're going to go ahead and film for your Screen Thief project. We're going to go ahead and film for your Screen Thief project. So you won't be filming this. We will film it in the library, but you won't do that until after you've done the ed puzzle. And then you're going to film for a cloning project. You're going to film for a cloning project, and I will put a little more information out here. I'm going to put some sample footage in there for the cloning project. So you have an ed puzzle, a WeVideo project, and a filming project to work on while your group isn't doing the installation.